Samsung first began using the Ultra moniker in February 2020 with the introduction of Galaxy S20 Ultra. Not a full year has passed since, and Samsung already unleashed a direct sequel called the Galaxy S21 Ultra onto the market. But how much has Samsung's flagship formula changed over the course of 11 months? Is the newer Ultra model that much better than the first? A Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra versus Galaxy S20 Ultra comparison reveals a lot of upgrades, but the biggest and most welcome difference is the price. Samsung has chopped $200 off for the S21 Ultra, so you are getting more phone for less money for the most part. Let's talk about the design. The Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra made a statement with its camera bump, but it is just too big. The S21 Ultra uses a new contour cut designed to better integrate the camera into the glass back, so the overall look is sleeker. Another important design upgrade is the on-screen fingerprint reader is now larger, so it should be easier to unlock the device. However, the S21 Ultra is larger and heavier than its predecessor. The S21 Ultra 6.8-inch display is a bit smaller than the 6.9-inch panel on the S20 Ultra, but the new panel is better in a few key ways. For starters, you can now get a 120Hz refresh rate at the highest QHD resolution. With the S20 Ultra, you had to choose between 120Hz and Full HD. The S21 Ultra's panel is also dynamic, which means it can scale from 120Hz all the way down to 10Hz, which saves battery life. With the Galaxy S20 Ultra, 120Hz mode is simply on or off. This year, Samsung added a laser focus sensor to the S21 Ultra because the S20 Ultra was slow to focus, especially when shooting video. But the biggest camera upgrade on the S20 Ultra involves the dual telephoto lenses, which offer 3x and 10x optical zoom up to a single 4x optical zoom lens on the S20 Ultra. The main 108-megapixel sensor can now capture 12-bit HDR photos with 64x richer color. There's even a 12-bit RAW file option in Pro mode for power users. Plus, night mode photos are now improved thanks to a faster bright night sensor and other enhancements. On the video front, you can record at 8K at up to 20 frames per second like you could before. But now the S20 Ultra is capable of 4K 60 frames per second on all of its lenses. Plus, there is a new vlogger mode that lets you record with the front and back cameras at the same time. Samsung has also improved its single take feature with Single Take 2.0, which allows you to take several photos and videos at once. One of the new options is an auto-generated dynamic slow-mo video. The Galaxy S21 Ultra is the first Galaxy S series phone to support the S Pen, which means you can use a stylus to draw, take notes, and more write on the display like you can on a Galaxy Note phablet. The S20 Ultra doesn't offer this perk. Later this year, Samsung is also releasing an S Pen Pro that will have Bluetooth connectivity, turning the stylus into a remote control. No surprise here. The Galaxy S20 Ultra packs the new Snapdragon 888 processor, which should offer a boost in both CPU and GPU performance over the Snapdragon 865-powered Galaxy S20 Ultra. You get the same RAM and storage options as you did before. The Galaxy S20 Ultra starts at 12GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. But you can upgrade the storage to 256GB or nearly splurge for the top-end S21 Ultra model and get both 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. The bad news is that the Galaxy S20 Ultra has the same size battery as the S20 Ultra at 5000 mAh. Samsung says that it's leveraging AI in the S21 Ultra to better monitor your usage patterns and decrease power consumption. And the fact that the S21 Ultra moves from a 7nm to a more efficient 5nm processor should help as well. On the charging front, the S20 Ultra supports 25-watt fast charging. The S20 Ultra is supported up to 45-watt charging, but Samsung says it has improved the charging speed of the S21's charger. So the numbers don't tell the whole story. Now the question is, should you buy the S21 Ultra? If you bought the Galaxy S20 Ultra for $1,399, chances are you're not willing to upgrade to the S21 Ultra. And it probably hurts that the new phone costs $200 less. But overall, the upgrades are fairly significant. The S21 Ultra offers a brighter and more dynamic 120Hz display and much more versatile and powerful cameras. You should expect better performance in low light along with an even more powerful and steadier zoom. Having S Pen support on board is a bonus, especially if you don't want to wait for the Galaxy Note 21 to debut later this year. Not having a charger in the box hurts even more, and the lack of a microSD card slot is arguably worse. But overall, the S21 Ultra looks like a truly superior phone to the S20 Ultra. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then make sure to like, share, and comment down below about your thoughts. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this on your feed.